On the day of Falaharini Kali Puja, Sri Ramakrishna Dev worshipped Ma Sharda Devi as Shodoshi. According to Tantra, the Divine Mother has 10 forms: Kali, Tara, Shodoshi, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhairavi, Chinnamasta, Dhumavati, Bagala, Matangini, and Kamala. Shodoshi is also called Raj Rajeshwari and Tripura Sundari. According to the Leela Sahasranam, Shodoshi is the most benign and purest form of the Divine Mother. One can worship this deity in a clay image or in a young girl above the age of 16. According to the Narada Pancharatra, one day Kali became mad at Shiva and took the form of Shodoshi, literally a 16-year-old girl and a paragon of beauty. The Divine Mother takes various forms according to time and situation. Creation, preservation, and destruction are all her play. When killing demons, she takes a destructive form, but she assumes a benign form for her devotees. On 5th June 1872, the night of Falaharini Kali Puja, Ramakrishna Dev worshipped Shodoshi, the third form of the Divine Mother in Sharda. Years before, he had begun his sadhana by worshipping Adya Shakti, or the primordial power, in the image of Bhavatarini Kali of Dakshineshwar. Finally, on the new moon night in 1872, he worshipped the same Adya Shakti in the living form of Sharada. Thus, he completed his sadhana by offering to her the results of all his spiritual practices. This important event awakened Sharada's divinity, manifested his own spiritual relationship with Sharada, and made clear the role she would play in the future. By performing the Shodoshi Puja, Ramakrishna Dev signified that the Adya Shakti had taken form as Sharda Devi. We find this essence in the upcoming song. Let us listen to it. enjoyed the bhajan, do stay tuned to Devakshar, like and share our videos. Do subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy the videos, always comment and let us know. Thank you all for joining us.